we've got more severe weather to talk about. And believe it or not, a hurricane as well. Let's get to the updates. We have a categorical to slight risk for severe weather across portions of the Central Plains, Southern Plains, and Southeast. We have 3 areas we're watching for potential tornadoes. That is Central Texas, Western Texas, and portions of Eastern Colorado, Southwestern Kansas, Northwestern Oklahoma, and the Northern Panhandle of Texas, with a slightly higher 5% risk stretching from portions of East Central Colorado down through Southwestern Kansas, and then you can see up here on the Panhandle of Oklahoma. We are watching out for hail as well in the Central to Southern Plains and Mississippi Valley, with our most significant hail potentially being exactly where that 5% tornado risk is here. Again, this hatched area just means you could see 2, 3, 4 inch plus size hail. And where there's tornado and hail chances, you usually get a large wind zone like this. Our chances for strong to severe thunderstorms look to fire up potentially as early as 4 p.m. Central, with the threat increasing as we get into that 9 to 10 p.m. time frame. This is about the same time frame for Texas, although I think we may hold off until the evening hours, 5 p.m. or after, until we see some of these potential supercells moving through Central Texas. And a little farther east, we're seeing those thunderstorms start to push in around the late afternoon to early evening hours as well. I did want to mention this cooler than average a lot of you are experiencing through the central US out east is expected to stick around for a few more days, you can see as we move forward in time here. And as we get late into this weekend, we could see a big cool down for the mid-Atlantic and Northeast as well. We're talking temps potentially over 20 degrees below average. And then maybe next week, the West gets involved with that cold air as well. Believe it or not, we are watching the Eastern Pacific for hurricane development right now. You can see right here, we do have a low pressure that is churning off in the Eastern Pacific, and it's moving off into the north and northwest. Now, the waters in this region are warm enough. It's not dealing with a ton of shear currently, and the National Hurricane Center has given it a 100% chance for development, meaning they're basically guaranteeing we're getting at least a tropical depression or tropical storm out of this. Some of the models do see this cyclone getting down to about 980 to 990 millibars, so we'll have to watch. If there is going to be a landfall, it would be up here somewhere near western central Mexico, but we have a little bit of time, and it's not fully developed yet, but it should be soon. We do have some tropical waves moving across the tropical Atlantic, but these waters are still pretty cool. And the Caribbean and Gulf are looking quiet for now, but we all know how warm these waters are, and we're in an enso neutral, so we're going to be watching this closely. I appreciate you guys watching this video. If you like this type of content, feel free to throw me a follow or sub. I make posts like this every day, and I try to live stream every day as well to answer all your questions. I'll see you in the next video.